Over the next 3 days, we are going to be staying at Coconut House here in San Juan del Sur, Nicaragua. This accommodation is specifically catered for people who want to surf because it includes your surfboard rental and it includes your transport to and from the amazing beaches in this area. So, if you are planning a trip to Nicaragua and you want to see what the best surfing spot in Nicaragua is like, well, stick around.
Good morning, beautiful people from San Juan del Sur here in Nicaragua. We just had our first night here. We got in yesterday. We had a quick, relaxing time by the pool with some beers. We have a big day for you guys. First, we're gonna get some breakfast and then all day surf. So, I can't wait. But yeah, first breakfast.
Breakfast time, so we've just come right next door to where we're staying. There's a little restaurant and they serve a typical Nicaraguan breakfast. Looks good. Eggs, rice and beans, of course, plantains, of course, aguacate. Looks like tofu, but I'm guessing it's some sort of fried cheese. Looks pretty good. And we got smoothies because we've already had 2 coffees.
We're loading the boards. Got a bit of stack there, but it's a small day, so we're gonna take it easy this morning and go on the longboards.
Never used sunscreen like this before.
Clearly someone's not as stoked as I am.
Yeah. We got some fresh aguacate delivered right to the door. Surfing in Nicaragua. The cool thing about staying at Coconut Surf is because it is like a dedicated surf house, I guess you would call it, is that they actually have a transport that will take you to the different beaches every day. So you can get around and go surf a different beach every single day without having to worry about getting there.
Pack your board.
Yeah, they pack your board. They give you a rashi if you want one.
Oh my god, and this car is aircon.
Nice. It's pretty good. Like that, we've never stayed at a place like this, so that's pretty cool. I like it.
All taken care of. See the little ripples over there, cool little waves, not much wind.
Alright guys, we've arrived at Playa Romanzo and apparently now is the best time to go out with the tide coming in at the moment. However, it's still pretty small, but honestly that's perfect for me because I like chill longboard wave, which this is great. For Max, it's probably a little bit too small, but I think most of the people who are staying at Coconut Surf are more like me, like more beginner surfers. So it ends up being perfect for us. So yeah, let's go get some waves.
You okay?
Yeah.
That was a big wave.
That hurt a little. I would like it to be noted that I am sacrificing my surf time to get 6 shots of max.
Nothing better than a refreshing juice after the surf. Look at the size of this bank.
So big.
That was 70 Cordoba.
It's a really nice spot that they bring you to here because there's this restaurant where you can like leave your stuff, eat food, get drinks, like go for a surf, come back, chill, have a break, go back out, which is pretty much exactly what we're doing. So, cheers. This is the life.
This is the life.
This is the life.
It's 3:30, surfed 6 hours, or we here 6 hours.
6 hours. It was so nice.
Maybe you can tell by our face.
Sunburn.
Yeah. Now we're gonna go rest by the pool with a fresh beer. We've earned it. There's just one thing to do now. What a day. The waves were perfect for just chilling, getting used to it, getting comfortable, the sun, the swell. Honestly, it might have been the easiest surf wave. It's probably true about this, but it might have been the easiest wave to surf I've ever seen.
Good morning, beautiful people. It is currently 9:30. Day 2 here at Coconut Surf, and we are actually waiting for Eduardo, who is the owner, the guy who runs this lovely establishment. He's gonna come pick us up this morning to take us to another beach, like similar to what we did yesterday, but that's not till later this morning. So we thought whilst we waited, we would give you a tour of Coconut Surf House. The entranceway leads you to this beautiful big communal balcony chilling area. Last night we had a couple of beers. We actually got some takeaway dinner and ate it here with some other people who are staying here too. So it's a really nice communal area, but, and I'll show you this in a minute, you have your own fully private room. So when you need your own space, you've got that. We have a pool right here, which again, I haven't actually been in, but Max has been in twice. It's a very small plunge pool, as you can see, but realistically, you're here to spend time at the beach, surfing. So this is just really nice in the afternoon when you come back, you want to chill, but stay cool, which is really good. Then we come into the first section of rooms. So there's actually 3 rooms in this section, and then there's 3 rooms in the next section as well. The rooms are really big, really nice, really private. They have air conditioning, private bathroom, comfortable bed, pretty much everything that you would need. A desk for us, which is nice for working. This is the big communal lounge room with lots of comfortable couches. When you book with Coconut Surf, you can kind of like build your own package, and if you book almost like an all-inclusive thing, it comes with your surfboard rental, your transport to the beach every day, and that kind of thing. So there's like a bunch of different surfboards you can choose from depending on your skill level, which is really nice. And then right behind you is a massive kitchen. It's really well equipped, like coffee maker, blender, huge fridge, oven. There's like a 6-burner stove, plus like a little mini toaster oven, a microwave, a kettle, which I think if you watched our last room tour, we mentioned that like no one gives you kettles in Central America, so love the kettle. They also have a huge water filter, so you don't have to worry about water here. It's all safe to drink. It's all good to go. But yeah, lovely kitchen. right next to the kitchen are 2 other rooms. The 3rd room's kind of just out that door. But yeah, there's only 6 rooms here, so it's a really nice small group of people where you're not going to be overwhelmed like you would in a hostel that has like 60 people staying there. It's really tight-knit and small. Everyone has enough space to be in their own area, or you can all hang out and be communal, which is really nice for Max and us because we really love being communal. We also love taking our own space, which is good. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully Eduardo shows up soon and we can go for a swim.
Eduardo's made it. We're loading the truck. We've got some shorties. Apparently the waves are a bit bigger today, so I'm pretty stoked about this.
Time to go for day 2 of surfing.
There. They're all there.
We've just pulled over on our way to the beach because there's monkeys. Oh my god, there's like, I don't know, 8 or something, and there's a baby up in the tree right here.
Is it right on top of you, looking at you?
Yeah.
Are you here?
Oh yeah, right here.
Oh, there's more right there. Oh my god. They're all just like hanging out. They're actually really curious. They're looking at us. They're so cute. Eduardo speaks monkey. What a nice way to start the day. Okay, we've arrived to Playa Hermosa, and actually this one's a private beach, so you do have to pay 100 Cordoba to enter, but you get to like chill at the restaurant, use the lounge chairs, they have a freshwater shower, they have Wi-Fi, all that kind of stuff for you. So for 100 Cordoba, it's a pretty good deal, and we're probably gonna spend the whole afternoon here, so not too expensive.
Tired. Food.
The waves have gotten so big. I, on the other hand, have been relaxing and just hanging out with our friends for the coconut surf. It's actually really nice to just have people to hang out with as well. As like lonely travelers, we enjoy it every now and then. And I ordered some food. Looks so good. So there is a restaurant at this beach, which is amazing. So I've got a coffee, I've got some food, I got my book, there's Wi-Fi here, I've already had a fresh shower. Life's good. Now we are actually leaving. I think we're gonna go back to the same beach that we were at yesterday because it's such a good vibe. It's so chill there, so nice waves. So time to pack up.
surfed out 48 hours. Insane. I've surfed like maybe what, 6 hours, more than 6 hours in 2 days, and the waves picked up insanely. I've spent some time recording here. Hopefully my footage does justice. But yeah, surfed out, so we're gonna go home, have some yummy food.
It's time to go back and enjoy the house. Hopefully everyone will be home because Eduardo is hoping that we're gonna have like a nice little family communal dinner tonight. So let's go.
Alright, so we treated ourselves to some delicious sushi. We've been out and about the whole day. Wow!
Feels like a lot of sushi for
It
just
does
4
feel like a
people.
lot of sushi.
Wow!
Gracias.
Whoa!
It is a lot because I order a lot. I'm taking.
Yeah, your stomach. Alright.
We are done here at Coconut Surf in San Juan del Sur. Loved it here. We had such a good time surfing and like being in a communal house where we actually made friends for a few days. Actually was so nice and like filled our cups right up with our social activities. So we're really glad we stayed here.
Yeah, we did speak a lot more than we usually do, but with great time. We met amazing people. And obviously to Eduardo, thank you so much. It was amazing. The surf was so much fun. Obviously, this is what it's focused on. Personally, I'm surfed out. My shoulders are broken.
But now we have another very exciting adventure planned in Nicaragua. So if you are not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. It helps support our channel so much. And stick around because our next video is gonna be way different.
We're just getting our first glimpse of it. They're washing it now. Oh my god, it looks so cool. All right. Cheers, guys.
Bye.